Another cool thing you can do with Google Docs, in addition to having students in speech classes give presentations or shared presentations, business classes use spreadsheets, art students share drawings, is you can create what are called forms. Now, forms are kind of fun. Forms are what allow me to create my role on my iPhone, and there's a lot of things you can do with it, but let's just say I'm creating a NISOD feedback form today. Please let me know what you thought about my presentation. Now I can ask a question like, for example, where are you from? Right? And so I can now have that be a text or a paragraph text or multiple choice. I can choose what I want. And so I could be done with that question. I could ask another question, say for example, what did you like best about my presentation? And this time I'm going to say, no, make that paragraph text. I want you guys to be able to make a longer answer. Now I can also add items. For example, I'll add another paragraph text question, and I might say, okay, so now that I've done that and I have a couple questions for you guys to fill out, right? I can say, wow, well, I would like that to look a little bit better. So let me go in and get a nice looking theme. Now there are a variety of different themes you can pick. I'll pick a simple theme. I'll just go ahead and take, I don't know, sample form. And now this is what my form looks like. And so I can say apply, and I can take the link. For example, this right here is the link to my form, and there's my form. Now, some of you remember me using tinyURL earlier. You could take this link and create a tinyURL for it. I do that with my students. For example, I have a form called Teach Me, Ask Me, which asks my students to answer either with their phones or with a computer within a couple hours of class. They have to either teach me what I taught them, a summary form of course, or ask me questions about stuff they don't understand. You could also do 1-minute papers or muddiest points or any of the CAT assessments that you may use in your classrooms. But what I'm going to do with this is I'm going to copy this, and I'm going to put a link on the NISOD page that we're sharing today. For example, we have this NISOD links page, and I'm going to add in here, please take my survey. And then what I'll do is I will link that to my survey. And now when you see this page, you go to tinyURL NISOD 2010, you'll have a link to my survey. Hope that makes sense.